The speaker's dead. The speaker on this button is dead. The speaker's dead. Ain't that the first time in years I've ever seen that happen? The last time that has ever happened on a navigator of all things, it was never these buttons. Thankfully, these two in the middle and that one over here, this one here and that one in the median still work. But the one on the very, very far left that had a defective speaker to begin with is now completely toast. Just completely toast. It no longer works. The speaker's completely broken.
Wait.
See? That one makes noise. This one on the very far left does not. Do you hear anything coming out of it? I don't think so. This button is completely dead, except for the light. This thing no longer beeps. That is just sad. That's sad. This one no longer beeps at all. It no longer makes any noise. Those two do. These three do. These three do. These three do. Not this one. Just dead. I don't even care what I do. Watch. That is... Oh my goodness. OV, you got a button you need to repair, dude. It broke. Speaker's completely busted. The speaker's completely busted. That's it.